Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are having a good time. This is your teacher from Upper Group of School. I'm going to teach you about Oxford Progressive English 6. We are reading Unit number 1, Where We Live Now, Across the Indus. Previously, we have read this chapter, this poem, Across the Indus. There was the poet who discusses the beauty of life with the peace and calm attitude towards it, and the ugliness of life with the dirt, bad heat, and the cruel drone of flies in it. So now, let's go through our diary. Reading of page number 14. Classwork will be answer questions of page 12. Home task is writing task on page number 17. Let's start with our today's work. We have left with some answer questions on page number 12. So now let's discuss with answer these questions and write down on your notebook. Please open your textbooks and notebooks with you. Draw the margin lines. Write the proper date. Mention your classwork, Unit 1, page number 12, Lesson 3, Across the Indus. This is your poetry. So now we are doing with the remaining questions. These questions are from Reading for Interpretations. Why is it appropriate to call a dirty city festering? Festering refers to the bad condition of the city. These ugly and bad conditions produce diseases. Thus, it is appropriate to call a dirty city festering. Why is the drone of flies described as cruel? The drone of flies is described as cruel because carry the germs of different diseases. The drone of flies is so cruel because causes a continuous strain on never. Drone of flies is described as cruel because carry the germs of different diseases. The drone of flies is so cruel because causes a continuous strain on never. Whose eyes are indifferent to what in the line? The source paraded to indifferent eyes. The source paraded to indifferent eyes. In this line, the poet says that the eyes of the people of the city are indifferent to the condition of the city. The house is disgorging. The children, what does disgorging mean, and why is it a more vivid word than the phrase are coming out of? Disgorging means vomiting and getting rid of unwanted substances, so disgorging seems more vivid word than the phrase are coming out of, because dirty and unappealing children are like the substance which comes out during vomiting. Again I am repeating this answer. Disgorging means vomiting, getting rid of unwanted substances. So disgorging seems more vivid word than the phrase are coming out of, because dirty and unappealing children are like the substance which comes out during vomiting. How would the obliterating dust affect you? Obliterating dust is like obstacles which prevent us to see more vividly and clearly. It makes our vision dusty and prevent us to see the beauties of nature and from seeing things clearly. So these are the answers to these questions. Now moving on to the next part. Participles. What are the participles? Let's discuss with this topic. As you have already know that the participle as a part of the verb, the participle is the part of the verb with the ing ending. Swing, swinging. Laugh, laughing. Travel, traveling. A participle can be used as the part of the verb. For example, she was swinging too high when the cable broke and she fell. He is always laughing. A participle can be used as an adjective to qualify a noun also. For example, the swinging lamp casts an airy light in the darkness. The participle as a noun. Participle can be used as a noun, as an adjective. As a noun, it can be used as eating is a pleasure. Traveling is exciting. Your home task is to do your writing task of page number 13. Here we have your writing task. You have to make a list of 13 ing participles in the poem across the Indus. Make a list of 5 ing participles which can be used in the 3 different ways explained above. Write 3 sentences for each using the ing participle differently in each sentence. Firstly, as a part of the verb, as I have told you, as a verb it can be used as he is always laughing. And secondly, as an adjective, it can be used as the swinging lamp casts an airy light in the darkness. Thirdly, you have to use it as a noun. Noun as a eating is a player, traveling is exciting. Then underline the participle and write in the brackets after the sentence that where you use it as a verb, where you use it as an adjective, and where you use it as a noun. Below are the example and you have to follow the same pattern like this example. Kesra was writing an essay about spiders for her homework. This is as a verb. Headmaster sat on a large comfortable chair at his right hand. Adjective, it's a type of adjective. My aunt always loved writing noun. Noun is also an example. So this is it for you.